JMC Carrying. Direct injection 2.8 diesel turbocharged. Output is at 84 kilowatts at 3,600 RPMs. Torque is at 235 at 2,300 RPMs. Fuel tank is 63 liters. Fuel consumption is 8 liters to 100 kilometers. Easy to use tilt cab. Spacious and comfortable with a 5-speed synchro mash. Overall length is 4,735. Overall width is 1,690. And overall height is 2,040. Rear body length is 3,100 and rear body width is 1,600. And the rear body height is 380. Air conditioner, CD player, power steering, and power window. Diamond headlamp. Starting at 233,990. 5-year, 120,000 kilometer warranty. 4-year, 24 hours road assistance. 3-year, 90,000 kilometer service plan.